Hello and welcome children. Very good morning. And as we were doing the first unit of the book and only the last exercise was left, this has to be done by you. Let me tell you how to do. Write true sentences. True sentences means write the reality. Okay? Positive or negative means whatever situation is given. यहाँ पे जो भी situation दी है इसमें अगर वो आप पे अप्लाई होती है हाँ या ना के हिसाब से आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स. अब इफ आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स तो मैं लिखूंगी आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स. अगर मैं पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूं तो मैं लिखूंगी आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स. ओके, सो इस तरह से वी हैव टू राइट द रियलिटी, द ट्रू सेंटेंस. ओके, same way, I hungry means I am hungry or I am not hungry. It is warm today or it is not warm today. Not warm today की जगह आप you can write it is cold today also. Okay, so in place of warm you can write the opposite of it also. Am I afraid of dogs? I am afraid of dogs or I am not afraid of dogs. Okay, either it has to be positive or negative, जैसा आपके according is right. Okay, my hands cold, my hands are cold or my hands are not cold or my hands are warm. Canada, a very big country. Canada is a very big country. This is true. Diamonds cheap. Diamonds are cheap. Cheap means sasta. No, diamonds are not cheap. I interested in football. Now it depends. I am interested in football or I am not interested in football. Ninth, Rome in Spain. Rome is in Spain or not? Find out and write the reality. Okay, children? So this exercise is also your homework. Okay, though the answers are given at the back, but I want that you should do it on your own. Now let us move to the next unit of the same. The next is how to frame questions with am, is and are. So as this table says, when we are making positive sentences, right, we use I am. है ना, I am hungry today, I am tired, I am a girl, I am a boy, ऐसे लिखते हैं, right? But when we are making a question, am I hungry? हम क्या करते हैं? What we are doing? Sequence is changed. Got it? When we, in positive sentences, we are saying he is walking, he is talking, she is working. है ना? But when we are making a sentence, we put is here. Is he tired? Is he walking? Is he talking? Okay, that way. So children, if you remember, questions can be framed in two ways. One with the help of question word and second is the method of using helping verb, right? And this pattern of helping verb and question word, this is applied in all the tenses. And right now we are talking about the present tense because is, am and are used in present tense. Okay, so in present tense we are using the helping verbs of present tense. So previous unit we worked with the helping verbs is, am, are of present tense. Now in this unit we are seeing how questions are framed with the help of helping verb in present tense. I know you have done these topics already with Naveen sir, but it is a practice book. We should know how these have been done. So I want you to do this book also because there are many practical questions here which you have not done earlier, though you have done the theory. Okay, so just look. Now we are studying. You are busy. they are working. Simple positive sentences ऐसे ही बनते हैं. But when we are making the negative sentence, then are we studying? Are you busy? Are they working? Got it? So we are putting the helping verb. We have just changed the position. Here are some examples. What's your name? David. Are you married? No, I am single. How old are you? 25. Are you a student? Yes, I am. So this is how we are doing. आपने करा है, but it is just a practice book and we are revising because in the later units we have something new. But for that new you should practice these. Okay? Now let's come to the next. See here some examples are given. You should go through this. Now we come to the question word. Means how to frame questions with the help of question word. So before making questions with the question word, you should know the meaning of that question word. Okay? Like, let's see. See, where, what, who, how and why. Got it? Where, kahan, what, kya, who, कौन, how, कैसे and why, क्यों. Right? Now, where is your mother? Where is your mother? मम्मी तुम्हारी कहाँ है? Is she at home? क्या वो घर पर हैं? Got it? What color is your car? Is it red? How are your parents? Are they well? How much are these postcards? Okay, so here we have used the question words to frame questions in present tense. We use the same question words in all the tenses. But when we are making questions with the helping verb, then the helping verb changes according to the tense. जहाँ is है वहाँ was आ जाएगा. Is used for singular and was is also used for singular. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है. Is used in present tense and was is used in past tense. Here also they have given the contractions. What means what is. Whose means who is. How's means how is. Where's means where is. Okay, these are all small things which we do use and it is in our routine, but we hardly notice. But when they come in the exercise as a question, we fail to answer. So now let's come to short answers. Means like in this exercise, in these examples they have shown how is your mother. Is she at home? Yes, she is. Right? So instead of giving the answer in the whole sentence, we can give the answer in short form also. Now when we are answering in short form, how do we do it? Okay? If obviously short answers are like yes or no answers. Okay? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Okay? Yes, he, she is. Yes, he are. Why we are using is with these? Because they are all singular pronouns. These are the pronouns used for singular subject. Whereas these pronouns, they are used for plural subjects. See children, be very careful. We have many pronouns, but we don't use all the pronouns as a subject. You have studied about pronouns, subjective and objective, right? So, subjective pronouns you all know, but still I will tell you. I, he, she, it, we, you and they. These are the 7 pronouns which are used as a subject in a sentence. Got it? Whereas other pronouns are used as objects. Okay? So you have studied objective case of pronouns and subjective case of pronouns. So now let us move to the next exercise. Find the right answers for the questions. Where is the camera? Where is the camera? In your bag. Okay. Is your car blue? Just look where the answer. No, it's black. Is Linda from London? No, she's American. Am I late? Yes, you are. Where's Anne from? She's from where? London. What color is your bag? Black. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. How is George? Now what is left? Very well. Who's that woman? My sister. Got it? Here we have answered in short, and you all know how to answer in short because you are not in a habit of answering in one sentence. जब आपको बोलना जाता है answer in full sentence, you don't use the whole sentence, you answer in short. So this part you know it very well practically. Now it's time to do it in theory. Okay? Now let us move to the next exercise. That is questions with these words. Use is or are. What are we using? Is or are. Is used for singular, are is used for plural in present tense. At home, your mother. Is your mother at home? Your parents well. Are your parents well? Got it? Interesting, your job. Now job is singular, so we will start it with is. Is your job interesting? The shops open today. Now shops is a plural, so we will start our question with are. Are the shops open today? Fifth, interested in sport, you. You. What do we use with you? Are. So, are you interested in sports? Got it? Sixth, near here the post office. Now, we are asking about post office, and post office is singular. So, is there any post office near? Okay. Seventh, at school, your children. Now, children is plural, so our question will start with are. Are your children at school? Eighth, why you late? Now, again, you is here, so our question will start with are, because with you, we always use are. Why? Sorry, I'm sorry. Here they have given the question word why. Okay, so our question will start with why. Why are you late? Got it, children? And a question mark. So this is how we will make questions. Now next, complete the questions with use what, who, where and how. So here we need to know the meaning of these question words, and you know their meanings. How are your parents? They have given the question here and the answer is written here. So looking at the answer, we have to judge the question. Answer को देख के हमें क्या जज करना है, क्या अंदाजा लगाना है कि क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, उसने क्या पूछा होगा, right? Dash the bus stop at the end of the street means what is he asking? The location, where, the place. See, what kya means we will ask kya mein cheez. Okay, so where, here we'll put where is the bus stop. Next, your children 5, 6 and 10. means this is the age. So what is the age of your children? Okay. What is the age of your children? Or you can ask, how old are your children? Then in place of what we will write how. How old are your children? Both mean the same. What is it? How old are your children? Okay? Your is already given, we don't need to write. Next, these oranges means how much these oranges. Next, dash your favorite sport, skiing. What is your favorite sport? Next, the man in this photograph. Who is this man? Who is the man in the photograph? That's my father. Last, dash your new shoes. Answer is black. Now what is the person asking? The color. What is the color of your new shoes? What is the color of your new shoes? Okay, children. So this is how we have done this exercise. Remaining we will be doing in the next video, and I want you to keep practicing, and we'll quickly do this book exercise. Okay, thank you.